Hi, welcome to Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. I have a bee swarm right here that I'm going to capture and try to give them a new home. So let me suit up because it's much needed. Hope you enjoy watching this. If you want to get into bees, check out your local extension office. You want to pull the veil away from your face so you don't get stung through the netting. Have had that happen on my chin before, but honestly I haven't been stung maybe 3 times in the 4 or 5 years that I've been having honeybees. So anyways, I've got this bee swarm on here, and what I'm going to carefully try to do is knock them in the box. And hopefully I get the queen in there. If the queen is inside the box, then all the bees will start going in the box. They'll start on this little stoop right here, flapping their wings, saying, "Hey, she's in here, she's in here." So I'm hoping, yeah, they're all swarming because they're like, what the heck just happened? So there's still some girls hanging out here on this branch, and what I'm going to try to do is find the queen. She's much bigger. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully put the lid on and see what happens. I don't know if she's in there. And what will happen is we'll wait until this evening or tomorrow morning to see if they've gone in there. Occasionally they won't like their new home choice, so they'll leave. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So maybe I can take you a little closer. Adventures on Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. Most of the bees that are in the hive are female worker bees. They have various jobs to do. And when we're looking at the stoop, we're looking for the bees to be going in that bottom right there. And once they start going in, they'll start like buzzing their little bottoms and making it look like a cute little dance. And that's alerting all the other bees, hey, she's in here. Come on, you guys, we got to get to work. They're just acting crazy right now because they're like, what the heck? See that? Oh, I don't know. I missed it. There's a few fat drone bees. See that one on the stoop, that fat one? That's a drone. And drones get to eat for free and be fat and savvy and do nothing. All they do is mate once a year with some random queen, and that's it. And well, they don't live after that mating season. They let off these pheromones, and the pheromones are what lets everybody know what's going on. They've got little bee flapping and whatnot with their wings that give vibrations and sounds for all sorts of different things. And I still got some up here on this branch. And I don't know if the queen's still up in there. Hopefully not. Hopefully she is in the box. It can take a little while. They're a little disoriented. I do see them going in there. And what they'll do is they'll go in there, they'll check it out, and if she's in there, they'll come back out and be like, "Hey, everybody, she's here." So that's that. That's about all I can do for now. Just sit and wait and see what happens. Obviously, I'll be excited to keep coming back and checking. So, if you want to get into beekeeping, if you have a local extension office in your area, check with them. Sometimes they offer classes on beekeeping. A good time to study beekeeping would be fall and winter. And a good time to collect bee boxes would be summer, fall, and winter, when there have been some people that may have tried it and for whatever circumstances they no longer want to or can't continue to beekeep, so you can get some of these things at a discounted price. It can be a very expensive hobby. I was lucky enough, an elderly man that had 100 acres that we used to go get our hay from, he offered to give me a bunch of the boxes. And so that's how I got started. So that was really sweet. What a nice guy, him and his wife. Anyways, just look online, various different places if you want to get into it. And if you don't want to get into beekeeping, plant extra flowers. We need these pollinators. See if I can see the queen. Look at all those girls. The ones that look fat with big bulgy eyes, those are the drones. The queen, she'll be long and slender, kind of like about 1.5 to 2 times the length of the girls. But yeah, there's a lot of drones in this hive. But what they'll do is they'll get rid of the drones before winter comes because they don't want to free feed them. There it is. some of them hanging out right there. It's possible I might try and shake that in the box one more time and see if I can make sure I get the queen in there. I don't really know at this point yet. Anyways, I'll give you an update later. I hope you enjoyed, and remember to always be kind and sow the seeds of knowledge. Share what you can with others and plant those flowers. Thank you for Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. And please give a thumbs up and subscribe. You never know what's going to happen. Could be exciting. New adventures all the time.